Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this VPN platform called Proton. So let's get started. ProtonVPN is a virtual private network service which offered by the same work behind a Proton Mail, a secure email provider. Think of it as a secure tunnel for your internet connection. When you use the internet, your data travels through the internet service provider, which is ISP, who can see everything you do. This VPN lets you encrypt your connection and route it through a ProtonVPN server worldwide, hiding your online activities from the ISP and anyone else trying to snoop your data. This allows you to bypass geo restriction and access content that might be blocked in your region. ProtonVPN includes a accelerator that can increase your VPN speed by up to 400%, making it ideal for streaming and downloading. Now, talking about the best features about this VPN website, come with a wide range of features. So Proton offers so many features designed to improve your online privacy and security, and let's dive into them. So one of these best features is in hide your IP address, which is part of the best features. Also comes with a swift legal protection together with a no log policy and a net shield hash blocker together with a DNS leak protection, which are these features combined together, which makes it stand out compared to other platforms. Now, talking about the pros and cons, it is good to understand the strength and the weakness of a particular VPN network to help you make an informed decision about what you do on a particular platform. Now, talking about the good side, the strength of this platform is comes with a strong security privacy together with an excellent speed. Then in terms of the intuitive interface, they are okay and based on Switzerland. Now, talking about the downside, which can be expensive, limited streaming support, and a fewer server location on copy from some competitors. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this website.